What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're here in Long Beach by herself. Crystal was not feeling well, and I figure since it's a Santa Cruz ride, I would bring the Super73 Z1 out for a run for a cruise ride. This is probably second time I've taken it out in the public. Anyhow, I'm hearing there's some drama going on between LAESK8 and other moderators. It is a Santa Cruz ride today, but we'll investigate. We'll see. There's like two rides going on. I'm waiting for my buddy Will, so I'm likely going to be riding the 2:30 p.m. ride. And right now it's about 100. Right now it's 1:48 p.m. So we're a little bit early, but my buddy Will is late. He's riding the Super73 S2. Here we go. I don't know what's going on here. Some trikes? Oh, these aren't electric at all. They're just parked trikes. The skaters. Skaters are here. Onyxes, surrons, stealth bombers, the arielrider. Sweet. So they're gearing up now at 2 p.m. and I believe this is the the flex movement ride, also with Kong. But my buddy's not here yet, so I believe I'm going on the 2:30 p.m. ride. But I want to say, yeah, majority people already left, and there's probably like only 15 people stayed behind for the LAESK8 ride. According to Tony, gave me a cool reflective iron-on. This would be awesome. Yeah, I already see the reflection activating. Pretty cool. Yo, cars are getting smaller and smaller. Razor frame. Oh, the drifting one. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It goes to like hitting up
the extra large, yeah. Like, yeah, you'll be the craziest one on a ride. Like, just drifting left and right. 3D printed. That's the best way to go. Like, no one will ever be able to copy you with that. Sick, man. What's your name?
Derek.
Julian. Nice to meet you. Hey, happy holidays, man.
Hey, Merry Christmas, man. How are you?
Good. Happy holidays, man.
What are you riding today, bro?
Z1. Yeah, I lent it to Andy. He's testing it out. All right, Andy already left with my Z1. I don't know where he is. Like it, man.
Hey, wait, it's a conga line. Wait, get back there. Take a picture, Roger.
All right, let's roll. 25 miles. Oh, his kickstand is on. Reno's kickstand is on. Your kickstand, buddy. There you go. Still a lot of people here, considering this is the second ride for today. Saunders, Mad Mods. AJ, your seat looks lower.
Yeah.
You like it that way more?
Yeah.
Okay, it's better on the turns, huh?
It is.
Like that? I see. Cool.
It's like a bike.
I see. Oh, that sounds like a strong surron. Looks like Santa's having trouble with the wind. Yo. He's actually okay. He's just texting and skating, Matt. It's a bad image for us. Break time. 2 minutes to catch up. You saw the first one? He landed in the puddle of water, right? And he got back up like nothing. Lots of muddy areas. Gross. Let's try to jump on our Z1 here. I don't want to get wet. Nice and slow. She just went over that. Can't I go on the grass area? No, everything is great. Our bike is getting dirty. I don't like this route, guys. Oh man. It's all, let me get it clean here. Yeah. Gross. Yeah, buddy. Dang, I don't like that route. Typically they go on the track, but I guess not today. I don't have fenders, man. Oh, you removed your fenders?
Yeah, the front one.
Give it to me. I would like to buy it off of you.
I'll probably do it.
But also that one. Give me that one.
Nah.
Yeah, I don't like how I don't have fenders. It's gonna get all over the taillights. So I went with patching my tire instead. It was easy, $10. And then the great thing is I could use it on all my other bikes. Bless you. Versus like I have to get each tire tube and whatnot, you know? This is a pretty big ride actually. Definitely around 40 to 50. Alright, we made it. Signal Hill. Hilltop. I'm following Santa Claus. I love how this bike can climb a lot of hills. That's where the mid-drives kind of outperform these rear hubs. Alright, I know we're taking about a good amount of break here. Alright, we rolling out of Signal Hill. Buddy Will on that Super73 S2. He's already accumulated so much miles on that. He rides just about every day that he can. Guess he's happy with his purchase. He already missed out on buying my Super73 RX. But now I want to try to get him to buy my mountain bike. Electric mountain bike, that is. We are now on 2nd Street. Main Street here in Long Beach area. Pretty good amount of Super 73s today. But I want to say maybe 8 Super 73s, 4 aerial riders, and there's the other group. What group is that? 6 Onyxes, lots of unicycles, and e-boards, scooters. So far we've gone about 13.3 miles. Oh, this is the crew bike. I've never seen it in person, but it looks exactly like a Zeus, except black. Alright, if I'm not mistaken, it's rooftop time. Or break time, one or the other. Don't tell me, Sawyer, we're gonna park at the blue carpet again. Alright, food break. So I remember you just can't park your bike on the blue carpet. That's what they did last time. We're gonna get told by the mall cops. Sweet. Alright, we are rolling out soon. But let's get a good look of our e-bike with our lights. That's pretty much what my light looks like at night. My tail light, which was supposed to be the front light. And that's what my headlight looks. Both on Amazon. $20 for the headlight, another $20 for the tail light, and it comes with a switch. Pretty cool. Horn light and switch. startle those pedestrians. Get your headlights on, guys. You. Let's get it. Oh, Naples. Naples holiday lights first. Finally. Yeah, buddy. I'm glad they did this Naples ride. Always wanted to bike around here. Too bad Crystal missed out today. Woo. More wheelies. Look at all the lights on the left and the right. Jesus. Those are some crazy nice lights. Nice lights here. But I remember we walked that last year. I almost fell off. Here are more Christmas lights on both sides. There's some kind of trolley up ahead that we should, the Long Beach trolley. We should definitely catch up on that. Trolley, there it is. I can't believe I've never seen it. I've been in Long Beach so many times. Back on 2nd Street, I believe. Jostling for position. Going around the crowd of cars. Trying to squeeze in. Ooh, it's freezing. Yo, Will, have you ever gone sand riding?
Have I ever what?
Gone sand riding?
Sand?
Sand.
Oh, no.
No?
No, I haven't.
It can. These bikes can.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. I guess he's never. I am cold, so it's a good time to practice wheelies. Because it kind of keeps your body warmer. Come on. Whew. That's what I figure. Sometimes when I use a different charger, it doesn't give me enough range versus when I use another advanced Luna charger. If you're gonna try it, try it on the grass. You wanna try? Alright. Next time. Oh. Empty parking lot. So nice to bike to. I thought we were going to the lighthouse, but it looks like we're in the bike outlet soon. Switching things up. These are such different rides for sure. I've never seen this route actually. Where are we headed, guys? Whew, close. Oh, there's a ramp. Long Beach Terrace Theater. It's pretty nice. Yo, this is pretty nice. People going some stairs. There's a ramp. Whew. Some wet spots. There we go. Yo. Sawyer is getting us for a treat today. Yeah, buddy. I've never seen this place. Hello there. People taking photos? Because why not? One more try. Yo. Good job on you, Sawyer. I did not know we can be here. Nice. Can we even be here? You know what? It doesn't matter. We're here. Such a nice scenery. Holiday. We're getting the holiday pass. No one seems to care right now because it's the holidays. But that was a pleasant route. That was a pleasant treat. That little ride around there. Have you been there? Have you been there, Tony? Me neither. I didn't know they had that there. That was nice. Good stuff. What's this from? What? Thanks, man. Are you sure? I thought I dropped something. I was like, what? Alright. Thanks. Thanks, Reno. You didn't have to. Yeah, 90%. When we've gone 21 miles already. I'll give that to my wife because I don't really Starbucks. But thank you. Much appreciated. Reno just keeps giving. What an awesome guy. I think last year he gave out cookies and stuff. Now you're giving out gift cards? Oh shit, someone fell. Skateboarder fell. You good, bud? I think he's good. You good, bud?
Oh yeah, we're good. Just
okay.
out of it.
You good, Matt?
Yeah, we're gonna head out.
You guys had a collision or?
No.
Oh.
Just remote cut out.
Okay. Hey, happy holidays again.
All right.
Thanks, Matt. All right. See you guys. To Queen Mary. Let's roll. Oh, we're gonna get our heads chopped off there.
That was so scary.
Wow. They didn't see that gate arm. All right, we're at the cruise terminal. All right, I guess we're getting a good look at Queen Mary up here. What a nice view. I don't think I've been here at nighttime over the bridge. I don't think I've done this at night. Pretty long ride. I think we've been on it for 4.5 hours now. Typically like my rides, 2.5 to 3 hours, but we've had significant breaks. But I guess Will is getting his full treatment today. Sawyer has taken us to new places. The crowd did dwindle down though. There's only maybe 20 of us left. My battery's starting to drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quickly?
79. Like your gas tank, it's always, it takes long for it to drop, but once it starts to drop, it drops fast, or drops faster. I don't know. This I don't like so much because there's a lot of families and pedestrians here. Very slippery here, very slippery. Been here in a minute actually, because typically Crystal and I typically leave the ride early, but we're doing the full ride today. Pretty nice looking during the holidays. I like your taillights.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
It's
an Amazon purchase. It's similar to this, it looks like.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, that is Amazon. I love the laser part. It's like, if you're driving here, you're too close.
Yeah.
Those lines. All right, folks. That's going to be today's video. Thank you for tuning in this vlog. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 aerial rider or your DIY bafang kit. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys on the next ride. Peace.